Well, hello. Happy Friday, everyone. I hope you guys are not having just a good Friday, but a great one. I'm Victoria Cantu, and let's take a look at those current conditions right now in McAllen. So for the early morning times, we receive very nice cooler temperatures. Of course, we are warming back up into the 70s, 76 degrees. Mostly sunny skies for the daytime forward today, so it's going to be absolutely beautiful out there for this Friday. Also for tomorrow, expect those conditions to be pretty similar as well. So within the next 24 hours, you get to see some light cloud cover coming in from the south, and we do see some rain traveling in from the north, of course increasing once it gets to South Texas here. So you can see it coming in from the north, moving in, and then once it gets here to the Rio Grande Valley, especially near Raymondville, Harlingen, and South Padre Island, that will be increasing. So if you guys are heading out there, definitely take your time if you guys are traveling on those roads, but that will be towards the early morning time hours, around that 6 a.m., 7 a.m. hour. So just keep that in mind. Now we're looking at travel forecast. If you guys are heading out anywhere else in Texas, do expect those temperatures to be very nice and cool out there, very fresh, especially in areas like Dallas. Very cold, 48 degrees out there, and plenty of sunshine all throughout Texas, unless you are heading out to South Padre Island. So South Padre Island around 65 degrees, warmer on the coastal regions. We also have El Paso at 62, but it's going to be very nice all throughout Texas, especially if you guys are heading out to San Antonio, 57 degrees out there. Now overlooking that satellite and radar here in the valley, so not too much really going on for today. You do get to see that light cloud cover coming in and out, especially for the nighttime. Overnight lows back into those 50s, around 56 degrees in McAllen, 57 in Wesco. We do get that wind speed traveling into San Benito, so that will be picking up, especially on the coastal side. So they're going to be around 63 degrees near South Padre Island, but very nice overnight lows ahead of us also for the morning time. Tomorrow's highs, we are staying in the 60s, and we do have that possibility of some very nice light precipitation for the morning time. Of course, that could be continuous throughout the daytime, and we're going to see that within the next couple hours here. Now, overlooking our satellite and radar, we have a lot going on right now. We have a very heavy Arctic blast, heavy wind speeds coming in from north, pushing down on us. That's why we are receiving that cold front here in Texas. We are seeing the after effects of all that, but mainly most of that is heading out towards the northeast side, especially in areas near Michigan, also areas in Iowa, Ohio. The index here in the Rio Grande Valley, so we are going to stay on the colder side for today and for tomorrow, back to 59 degrees with a 55% chance of those showers coming in. So just keep in mind, if you guys do have any plans, it is going to be very cold. Please bring your pets inside as well. We could probably see those temperatures dropping to the 30s in some areas. So overlooking your next work week, we're definitely going to be warming back up. We have a 68% chance of rain for Tuesday coming back in, so it's going to be very nice out there. But for this weekend, guys, we could possibly see those 30s, but right now we're seeing those 40s popping up from Saturday, also for Sunday. 49 degrees, we're back into the 70s for Monday. 68% chance of rain coming in for Tuesday, and also for your next work week. So the cold will come for the weekend, for the week, and then for your next weekend time back into those 80s. And that is your extended forecast for this week. Well, hello, good morning, South Texas. I hope you guys are having not just a good Friday, but a great one. I'm Victoria Cantu. Let's take a look at those current conditions right now here in McAllen. So currently at 54 degrees, looking absolutely amazing out there. We do have those nice temperatures coming in for this morning time. Cool, chilly temperatures. So of course, if you are heading out the door for this morning time, grab that light jacket with you. Mostly sunny skies throughout the daytime. We do have that wind speed traveling from the south around 8 miles per hour, keeping us on the cooler side. Now overlooking those temperatures for Laredo for your morning forecast, back into the 50s there, 53 degrees, a lot of sunshine coming back out, mostly sunny skies around that 10 a.m. hour, and we are rising to 59 degrees. Overlooking the next 24 hours here at home, so we do get to see some light cloud cover coming in from the west. That will be moving into South Texas, and we do see a lot of that light precipitation coming in from the north, gradually increasing. That's going to be moving down mainly towards the Gulf Coast regions. Of course, if you are heading out to areas like Raymondville, Harlingen, also in the South Padre Island areas, we could possibly see more of that rain increasing throughout tomorrow morning. Now overlooking that travel forecast for tomorrow, if you guys are traveling within Texas, we are going to be very nice out there, back into those 50s, 60s in El Paso, 61 degrees, also in South Padre Island, 63 with those showers coming back in, and we'll be around 42 in Lubbock, 47 in Dallas, and 46 in Odessa, so very cold out there. Now we're looking overnight lows. We're back into the 40s as well. So it's going to be very chilly for the nighttime. Make sure you are prepared with this cold to come. Make sure you're bringing your pets back inside. We're going to be around 47 in Laredo, Zapata at 47 as well, and then 49 in Roma with that cloud cover coming back in. And then for tomorrow's highs here in the Rio Grande Valley, it's going to stay pretty cool out there, pretty cold, back into those 50s as well, upper 50s in areas like Wesco, Edinburgh, also McAllen, of course, light and radar. So we did receive that jet stream right above us in Texas, but now we are receiving a lot of that snow, pushing into areas like South Dakota, Wisconsin, also in Michigan. A lot of that snow will be developing in areas like Ohio as well, but of course those digits are definitely below those negatives. So overlooking the next couple of days here, we're not going to be seeing those negatives here, but we are going to see very nice temperatures within tomorrow. Also for Sunday, we're staying pretty nice and fresh out there. Saturday around 54, these are feels like temperatures, and then for your next work week, we are definitely going to be warming back up, but that does come with some rain, especially for Tuesday and also for Wednesday. 71% chance for Tuesday, 55% chance for Wednesday. You can see here we are still seeing that 30 on the forecast as well for Saturday to Sunday morning, 39 degrees. So it's going to be very cold for Saturday night. So make sure you guys are bringing your pets inside. We are going to see a lot more of that sunshine coming back out, warming us back up. 71 for Monday, we got that, and also for Friday, we are back into the 60s. Same thing with Laredo. We do have an 87% chance for Tuesday, 71 for Wednesday. So expect those temperatures to be nice and cool out there. Back into the 30s for Saturday night, 32 degrees for tomorrow. And that is your extended forecast for this week.